again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope everybody's doing fine and well and having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So today Btartbox has sent me over some of their X-Coat tips. This is their 3-in-1 system, and what I didn't do last time was apply the builder gel and cap the free edges. I have used these before, but I didn't have their full system. I only had their tips. So today they have sent over their full system. We're going to unbox it, take a quick look at it, and I am going to do my December Birthstone nails. I don't think I'm going to get them out on time, guys, but hey ho, it is what it is. I'll do better next year. Right, so first in the box we've got their glue gel. Love this stuff. It's really thick, but it's not too thick. I like it because it doesn't ooze out all out the sides. It's just that right consistency. And then we've also got their number 1 and 2, which is the builder gel and top coat, which I didn't have last time. So the builder gel is a little bit thinner than the glue gel, and the top coat, that's a nice thickish consistency as well. So impressed with this system, guys. It's probably my favourite Gel X type full cover tips system that I've ever tried. Right, so this time I got these tips. These are long square, but they're white, so they've got like a milky white base to them with the classic French that Btartbox do with these tips. Love this colour. I love the shape as well. These tips, guys, they're a bit pricey, but the quality of them, I've just not found anything that beats them. They've got a beautiful little dip at the cuticle there. Can you see how flush that is? It just seamlessly blends in with your natural nail. They are beautiful, beautiful tips. So there's 15 sizes in total. I think the sizes 0 to 16. Right, and we have also got their little mini lamp. And again, the mini lamp, I can't fault it. It's a really good quality little lamp. So it's USB Type C, and it's got 6 little bulbs, and it's got an on-off button. I don't like the mini lamps that when you turn them on, it does a full 60 seconds cure, because most of the time I only want to do a 10-second flash cure. So I like that you can turn this lamp on and off. So I'm just quickly showing you a couple of their other tips that I've previously got. So these are the same long square, but they're in the pink. And then I've also got the pink in the coffin. I think those are the ones I used last time, the pink coffin there. And I've also got them in a shorter, more, I think they're medium. They're in a nude colour. So I'm just going to get this little lamp set up. I've already got my sizes picked out. Yeah, last time I used these tips, I didn't cap the free edge. I didn't give them a layer of builder gel, and I wasn't that impressed with them. But if you do it as it's supposed to be done, like I do today, then yeah, it's changed my mind. I'm in love with these tips now. Fantastic quality. So a quick bit of nail prep that I've already done, but just for educational purposes. Push your cuticles back and just scrape away any dead skin that's left on your nail bed. And then you need to use a buffer and get all the shine off your natural nails. So just buff and get your nails all nice and scuffed up. Right, so next it says we need to dehydrate the nails. I haven't got the Btartbox dehydrator, so I am just going to quickly use my own. Guys, it's torrential rain where I am, so I do apologise if you can hear that in the background. Right, so we need to use it says 4-in-1 gel nail glue, but it doesn't say 4-in-1 on this bottle, but it's the same thing. You need to apply a little bit of it to your nail, and then a little bit of it in the cuticle area of the tip as well. So I like to just do a strip of the gel glue straight down the middle of my nail. Just a nice thin even strip like that. And then I like to give the inside just a little thin coating as well. And then I leave a little extra blob right at that cuticle area there like that. Then you need to press it down into your cuticle area as close as you can get it, like a 45-degree angle they tell you to do, and then slowly just lower it and press that glue till it's completely covered your natural nail, and then stick it in the lamp. Just give it a quick flash cure. You can give them all a full cure once you've got them all on. So that's that nail done, quick time, super easy. So I'll just quickly show you 1 or 2 more maybe. So I totally forgot to coat my natural nail, and I did the tip first. So yeah, just a nice thin coating in the tip and leave a little bit of extra glue at that cuticle area. So there we go, we're just going to give my nail a nice strip down the middle like that. And I'm just going to stick a little extra bit in the cuticle area of that tip as well. So again, turn my lamp on so it's ready to go, press it down at the cuticle area, push that glue till it's completely covered your natural nail and whack it under the lamp. So quick and easy, guys. And these tips, the way they blend at your cuticle area, I didn't need to file them. I always like to file the edge of my tips where you can see them. I didn't have to do that with these tips because you just cannot see the edge of the tip. Before I forget as well, guys, I will leave links to everything I've used in today's video. It'll all be in my description box, and I do believe I've got a 10% discount code for Btartbox website. That will all be down there as well. So that is those 3 tips done, guys. I'm going to do the last 2 off camera because they're exactly the same. So that's them all on. Super quick and easy. No leakage, no nothing. Tiny bit of leakage on my thumb there, but I really wasn't bothered about that. So I'm just going to use the file just to get them little knobbly, notchy bits off the tips where they was attached to the frame. Just quickly get them filed off. So you could do this any way round you wanted. I'm going to put the builder gel on first. This is going to give them so much more strength and help them last a lot longer. Up to 28 days that it says these tips will last. And the way they feel on my hands, absolutely they will last 28 days. I can tell by the feel of them. But this builder gel, I decided to put it on before I did my nail art. But you could do your nail art first and then put the builder gel on. But I've gone with the builder gel first, and I'm just doing a nice thin even coat of the builder gel. And if you notice, I'm capping the whole of that free edge just to protect the white part, because I think that white part is gel. And last time I did these nails, I didn't cap my free edge at all, and my white part after 2 days it just all chipped away. So make sure you cap that full free edge. Right, so for colours, I've pulled out a couple of Imalees. I'm going to go with the darker colour blue. It's just a nice shimmery wintry colour, isn't it? Perfect for my December birthstone. So December birthstones, totally forgot to show you the stones. I'll stick the picture up on the screen now. It's like 3 different types of stones for December, isn't it? So I've just gone with a mixture of a couple of different types of blue, including the gel polish and the rhinestones that I've used. I used a couple of different coloured blue rhinestoney things. I've kept it super beginner friendly, super simple today, but I think they turned out really nice, really effective. Right, so back to the nails. I've done the pinky. I've just outlined the French tip. I didn't want to cover up much of these French tips because I think they're beautiful just by themselves. So all I'm adding now is a little cuticle cuff with the gel polish to the middle nail. I'm going to do a cuticle cuff on the thumb as well. I think I did the thumb off camera, and then I'm going to stick all them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So this is the rhinestones I'm using. These are like a darker blue, and then I've pulled out a couple of lighter blue ones as well. So all that's left to do on these nails now is give them a top coat. This is a really good top coat as well. I think I'm 3 days in now wearing these, and it is still super glossy like it was when I applied it. So I am actually really impressed with this top coat. I really like it. So quick top coat. I'm going to cure that in the lamp, and then I'm just going to let you watch while I stick all these rhinestones on. So there we go, guys, that is them finished. I think they turned out beautiful. Super simple, but they look expensive, don't they? And as for the nail tips, I'm so glad I got the opportunity to use them again, because I wasn't impressed first time round. But first time round, it was all my own doing. I did them completely wrong. Now I've got the full system. I'm so impressed. They are super strong. They feel like I'm wearing acrylic or hard gel, and I have no doubt in my mind these would last 28 days at least. If your nails grow really slow, you could get away with longer. So yeah, I will definitely be using these a lot more in the future. So anyway, guys, that is the very last of my Birthstone series for 2023. Keep your eyes peeled. I am starting a brand new series. I was going to do Zodiac, but I've changed my mind because it just gets done over and over. I wanted something completely different that I've never seen anybody do before. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Guys, I'm going to have to go before this rain gets any worse. I do apologise for the sound quality of this video. I've been waiting all day to do this voiceover and it's just not letting up, so I do apologise. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I will leave links, discount codes, everything will be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.